आप भी आज तक दादी माँ के जमाने के तरीकों से अपना घर साफ करते आ रहे हैं? No doubt the traditional approach of cleaning our home is effective, but in our fast-paced lives, it has become rather time-consuming. With our busy work schedules, who even has the time to deep clean their house thoroughly these days? In today's video, we will explore some awesome products for home and kitchen cleaning. Trust me, all of these pieces are worth investing your money in. We have linked all the products in the description, so if you like any of them, you can easily find the link from the description box and buy the product now. The first product is cleaning gloves. These cleaning gloves are designed such that they make bristles on them, which make it easier to scrub the dirt when cleaning. आइए देखते हैं कि ये effective है भी या नहीं. Yes, it cleans so well. They are also heat resistant up to 160 degrees, so you can sterilize them by putting them in boiling water or in the oven for 2 minutes. It is very multi-purpose because they can be used in the kitchen or to clean vegetables and fruits, cleaning in the bathroom, dusting shelves and so much more. Dustpan with brush. क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है कि जब आप झाड़ू निकालने के बाद कचरे को इकट्ठा करने की ट्राई करते हैं तो हमेशा वो डस्ट की एक लाइन बच ही जाती है. Literally it makes me so irritated. The next product for today is a dustpan which comes with a brush. So for collecting the dust you can use the pan, but the brush makes sure that no particle of dust gets left behind. Victory! Microfiber cleaning clothes. If you say कि मुझे अपने घर का चप्पा साफ चाहिए तो यूज भी कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा ना जो छोटी से छोटी चीज को क्लीन करे. हमारे घरों में यूज होने वाले रेगुलर क्लीनिंग क्लोथ्स आर नॉट एज इफेक्टिव कि हम उनसे बहुत शानदार सफाई कर पाए. मोस्ट ऑफ्टन कई घरों में यूज क्लोथ्स जिन्हें कोई नहीं पहनता वो ही क्लीनिंग पर्पसेस के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं, बट उससे कभी भी सेटिस्फैक्टरी सफाई तो नहीं हो पाती है. अगर डस्ट साफ करने गए तो आधी रस्ट वहीं के वहीं रह जाती है unless 3 to 4 times तुम क्लीन करो, और अगर पानी साफ करने जाओ तो एरिया फिर भी गीला का गीला ही रह जाता है. To deep clean your house, you need these microfiber cloths because they are multi-purpose and can be used for cleaning practically everything. Since they are microfiber, they absorb all those little dust particles. क्लीनो बाय सेलो स्टैंडी टेलीस्कोपिक फ्लोर वाइपर. हम अपने घर की सफाई करते वक्त ज्यादातर के वाइपर का यूज करते हैं, but most of the times after some time of the use the wiper gets kind of damaged. The wiping part of it and the rod gets separated. Sometimes the wiper is too heavy that it becomes very difficult to use and it leads to bad pain in the wrist. But worry no more. This Cleano by Cello floor wiper is all you need. It is light in weight so it can very easily clean, and the speciality of this wiper is that it has a molded rubber lip at the bottom which will not only help you clean better but also has less chances of getting damaged. 2-in-1 cleaning brush. This product is definitely a must-have. It is a bathroom cleaning brush which can be used both for wiping and for scrubbing the floor and tiles. It comes with an adjustable handle which can be detached or attached as per the requirement. It comes with a 120-degree rotating brush which makes it very easy to reach in the smallest corners and clean easily. If you look at the bristles too, they are V-shaped. This makes the cleaning of cross crevices, high and low gaps, corners, etc. very easy. If you are the kind of person who cannot handle the mess of picking up different tools for different steps of cleaning, this is just the product for you. Microfiber cleaning glove. This microfiber cleaning glove can be easily worn in one hand and be used for dusting purposes. It comes in handy in cleaning dusty home areas without creating a mess of dust everywhere. इस माइक्रोफाइबर ग्लव को कार वॉश में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. every particle of dust gets completely stick to it, which leaves your car nice and clean. Best thing about this product is that since you wear it on your hand, you can easily reach out to every little corner जहाँ पे dust हो. Electrodes car wash. जब भी आप किसी चीज स्पेशली मिरर या तो मेटल सर्फेसिस को पानी से धो देते हो या फिर साफ करते हो, तो इट इज वेरी वेरी ऑफ्टन द केस दैट क्लॉथ यूज करने के बाद वो वाटर के ड्रॉपलेट्स रह जाते हैं. इन वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स को फाइनली सूखने के बाद हमारा सरफेस फिर से गंदा लगने लग जाता है. इसलिए टू रिमूव द वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स इजीली, दिस इलेक्ट्रोड वाइपर विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट. इट इज बेस्ट ऑन ग्लास एंड टाइल क्लीनिंग. This comes in handy to clean your kitchen shelves too. Soap dispenser cleaning brush. देखो तो सही कितने गंदे हो जाते हैं हमारे शूज सिर्फ कुछ घंटे पहनने के बाद और हमें पता भी नहीं चलता. Cleaning shoes is a big hassle. वॉशिंग मशीन में डायरेक्टली धोने से क्वालिटी खराब हो जाती है और सिर्फ क्लॉथ वाइप करने से प्रॉपर्ली शूज साफ भी नहीं होते हैं. Let's use this soap dispenser cleaning brush. This brush dispenses soap and comes with a brush to scrub the surface while allowing you to dispense as much soap as you need. वैसे तो मैंने आपको सिर्फ शूज के बारे में बताया, but this can also be used to clean your clothes, dishes, sinks and even floors. Convenient soap dispensing, comfortable grip and effective scrubbing की power से ये tool is all that is needed to be a magic cleaner. And that's it for today's video. These are some amazing tools that we thought could help you clean your homes better. Let us know in the comments down below which one you liked best and which one you bought. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Links to all the products are given in the description below. Happy shopping! फिर मिलेंगे एक ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के जिसमें ऐसे ही यूनिक प्रोडक्ट्स को डिस्कस करते हुए उनका रिव्यू देंगे. तब तक के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए एंड वीडियो को लाइक. टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.